So today we're taking on a really big, exciting job, something we've never done before. We are finally switching out the front door and redoing the framing. But we also wanted to make sure we had the right wood to do this. As far as we know, these original frames, these are oak, and we wanted to use the original wood type if at all possible. We couldn't get exactly the same age of wood, but we did manage to get these beams. They're 5-year dried oak beams. We are going to be reframing these and replacing with new doors that we got off of Facebook Marketplace.
This is how far in it gets to go, so just leave the top part notched so that we can do an insert beam. Turn around. Turn around. Makes me appreciate spruce more.
It also makes me appreciate all of the oak that all of your ancestors hand carved. Sat there and did this.
4, 5 weeks. Połowa nie zrezać, nie? Cool.
So we've got it all notched together and we put it up yesterday, but we need a little bit more finessing. So gonna get this installed and hopefully put the doors up.
Oh, great. It's working. Tak.
Those are so cool.
I know.
I've
Really
literally
nice.
I've literally never
Some will be
seen
able to just keep them open.
I've literally never seen doors that had like windows like this that open separately. It's such a cool feature. Yay! They're so pretty. Gosh, look how much more light there is in here than there was before.
What is goat ham?
Goat ham.
What does goat ham mean?
It means
it's ham
nothing.
from goat.
Pig made from goat, obviously.
Ooh, sounds yummy. Pig made from goat. Obviously, Luca. Did you not know that?
Do you realize the camera can hear us, right?
No. What will the
no.
camera say?
What the fuck say? No, I can't say
Film,
that.
film, 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 film,
Film,
film,
film,
film,
film.
film, film, film,
Film, film, film, film.